Look at that boss bear. Oh my god.
It's a it's a champion.
He's all like,
I'm a beast.
I wish I had beard. Watch him just jump and sling a web and fly out of here. Oh, it's just a little mean guy. See, look.
It's so cool.
They're
Dude.
chasing him.
Don't fall out of the tree, little guy.
God, did you see how fast he got up there, though?
They're playing Ring Around the Rosie, yo. I hope they don't just fall off, dude.
Let's see him get down. Oh my god. What a beast.
God. Nature is so cool.
That little one back there is so little, cute.
Well,
Oh,
he's-
look how little he is. So cute.
I want him to climb the tree.
God, they're so cute. Look at those two fighting on that. It's so epic. And then that little guy's like,
So innocent. He looks like he doesn't have as much hair.
look at him boss down this. Are you recording this?
Yep.
Oh, it's coming down from the tree.
They don't let him go up that one.
That sucks.
They don't let him.
That little
he'd
one's
get
just
out.
a boss.
They just climb right up.
Watch that
dude.
little one over there be the alpha male and like